Congress passed the Secure Act 2.0, which means certain individuals can save even more into their 401k for 25 and 26. What are the changes that you need to know? First, let's start with 2025. How do things work? Well, if you're under 50, there's not really a lot of changes other than inflation. You can save $23,500 either pre-tax or Roth into your 401k if you're under 50. If you're between the ages of 50 and 59, it's a base $23,500 you can save pre-tax or Roth, plus there's a catch-up contribution. That catch-up contribution can be saved pre-tax or Roth up to $7,500. So total contributions, if you end up between 50 and 59 as of December 31st, of $31,000. Now, what's changed? There's a new additional catch-up contribution. It's $11,250 if you're between the ages of 60 and 63 as of December 31st, 2025. So that actually puts you at being able to save $34,750 into your 401k, either pre-tax or Roth. Now, what happens if you're 64 before the end of 2025? Well, the catch-up contribution goes down again. It's only $7,500. Same thing as if you're between 50 and 59, only $31,000 total. Why did Congress do it that way? No idea. But in their infinite wisdom, this is the law that they wrote. So that's 2025. What changes in 2026? In 2026, catch-up contributions are forced to be Roth. So as an example, if you're between the ages of 50 and 59, you can put in $23,500 either pre-tax or Roth. But beginning in 2026, the catch-up contribution, the $7,500, can only be Roth, right? So it's after-tax money going into your 401k. Again, higher catch-up contributions if you're between the ages of 60 and 63, but can only be Roth. And again, lower catch-up contributions once you're 64 or older, but it can only go into the Roth bucket in your 401k. So big changes coming for retirees or people saving for retirement in 2025 and beyond. Make sure you understand how your 401k works. Make sure to be maxing out to get the most of your retirement benefits, and ensure you're not leaving any money on the table. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe and follow us so you can get more content on how to optimize your benefits, not leave money on the table, and not tip the IRS.